Hey everyone, welcome to the Anderson Bros Outdoors. I'm Jake. Today we are headed to a new crawling spot. We're going to do some trail running. So we do have the trail trucks in the back. I don't know if you can see them both. I think this one is a Jeep and this one is the Bronco, or one or the other. It's pretty early. It's like 9:20, I think. Yeah, it's 9:20 in the morning. It's pretty cold. It's in the 40s. Here within the next hour, it should start to warm up. So go from 40s to 60s. That is the hope. Fingers crossed. As you can see, I am wearing a coat. So today's video is really just going to be a fun trail run. It's more of a scale run than anything. So hopefully we get a lot of scale trucks there. If not, that's fine too. It's early, it's cold, and it was a little late notice on getting the event set up. So I apologize for that to everyone who wanted to come. It's really the first time in this location, so I'm not sure what to expect. I guess we'll see. Yep. You think?
That's full forward. I had to reverse it on the remote.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll have to. I have the program card. Is it a Fusion?
Yeah.
Yeah. When we stop up here, you can use it. But I have the card with me, so.
Right into the power button, or?
Yeah, I have that too. The cable for it.
Okay. When you say power button, I can get to the receiver.
Nah. It don't look like anybody's been out here in a long time.
All freaking. There was people over here.
Was there?
Yeah, my dog is.
Were they riding horses?
Yeah.
Really?
I ain't saying it went down this trail, but.
Say what?
If you were the rocks stop.
School bus ain't very top heavy.
It's basically just got a big Lexian body.
My winch like that just come in to D and me. Whew, it's kind of a drop right here.
Just put a shadow on you.
blower, huh? Because there's a lot of, yeah.
Might have to trail down with me.
I'd love to find a real Bronco like this that wasn't rusted out.
Yeah, good luck with that one.
I know. That's unfortunate.
Hell, there's a comp right behind you right there. Gee.
Oh, sure enough. Ooh, getting into the old right side, driver's side there. Woo! Settle down, Betsy. Settle down.
Come in,
Do they?
so you gotta park out in the day parking out there and walk down there.
Walk an extra quarter-mile.
Yeah, but there's a trail just to the east of the day parking. You can go in and come around the back side of the campground.
Oh no! Roll over. We'll do a recovery. Because Crawler's shed here don't have no winch.
I've never had that.
You got a winch, but you haven't used it.
I didn't buy the thing for the winch.
Oh, yeah. I guess if you bought it like that, then who knows?
Well, that winch is worth about $100, so.
Well, the wireless control's another 70, 60.
You're right. I'm a little nervous for you there, Springer. Here, hold on. We're gonna have to winch you first. You got the controller for that thing?
Yeah,
All right. How do we work this? You can unlock it, I think, right here, yeah?
Yep, push. No, you got to push the button. It's just
Oh.
on one side, it don't unlock.
Oh, I thought it unlocked.
It does with the push button here.
Oh.
It would be too nice if it was actually.
Here, pull on the cord while he holds the button. And then you can.
Oh, it does have some string to it.
Man, that thing moves, don't it? Oh, no. Let her out, just look. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's good. Well, that's probably plenty right there.
Back up I guess you could just back up.
A little bit.
You don't even have to use the winch. You just back up.
All right, give it a little pull there. All right. There you go. There we go. Successful winch. Reel her back in. You gonna go down that?
She's nose heavy, she'll go to the bottom.
Oh yeah. This would be a lot funner going up than down.
There's one old gal lives over here on the gravel road coming back there. She thinks she's into this part. So.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah. I think she's got no notion on that.
Well, I was also in person. I used to party out here. So.
He said I used to party out here.
Yeah, we'd go to Rock Creek Boat Ramp and camp out there for the weekend. Oh, I know.
Oh, man. Whoa, about to fall down there.
We can stop time for you.
That's all right.
Always looks at me when he's telling this story. No.
That's all right. We don't need to stop time today. You'd think that's what that would do.
It's been like 6 years since I took that picture I sent to you of the grandson. It was a whole lot cleaner back then. I don't know what happened.
You're unlocked. Uh-oh. No juice.
Okay. Try again.
What's in there, Fusion?
No, it's some cheap little crawler trail. This one's got the trail.
Oh, is it brushed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, turtle now.
Rip. But that's the one.
Quality compared to GoPro.
It's better than the GoPro quality wise, and it's right there with the other videos. I would say it's as good, if not a touch better than the other 4K videos. So the nice thing is that it records in 4K 120, and the editing software only does 60 frames a second, so it'll take those 120 frames a second and stitch it all together, you know. And it's also probably pretty challenging for our top heavy rigs.
It did survive that rollover though. It was fairly soft.
That's what I did, and I didn't have any issues. Yeah, it's a lot less scale. It's the old hard body Defender, huh? That rear bumper is kind of up high, huh?
Yeah, I flipped the mount over.
Oh.
Come on.
Beautiful.
There's another servo.
I forgot to look.
Well, I thought about messaging Dalton to see if he still had that one he bought down there in Disney. I'd give him his money back for it.
He might do that.
Took almost a minute from the time you get to the beach to the time you pick up your fishing string. Yeah.
It almost had that. There we go. Ooh, that was luck.